I am Dharani Vela's mother. My son studying here, 12th standard, Max Bio. He is very much interested in engineering course. So he is interested to learn maths, physics, chemistry. So he attended entrance examination. Who has given opportunity Reach Academy. I thankful to Reach Academy. I thank to our chairman sir and also admins. It is very useful and needful for every children to get scholarship for the next level of education, to get the seat in the top colleges, to get the seat in the top colleges. So I thankful to all who are organized this Reach Academy, and also thankful our school chairman sir, admin sir, principal sir, coordinator sir, and also OVM ma'am, and also I don't know the names. Thank you for all. Thank you.
ஐடியா இல்லாம இருந்தேன். மாடல் எக்ஸாமுக்கு அப்புறம் அதை எப்படி அட்டன் பண்ணோம், எவ்வளவு டைம் ஒவ்வொரு கொஸ்டினுக்கும் ஸ்பெண்ட் பண்ணக்கூடிய ஐடியா கிடைச்சிருக்கு. அதுல 100% ஸ்காலர்ஷிப் கொடுத்துருக்காங்க ரீச் அகாடமிக்கு.